guys, Edward is here, and today I'm recording to a Roblox. Welcome to Bloxburg. But I don't have any home. Can you see? It's empty in here. Empty. I'm gonna enable mode and see. I don't have any home. I sell everything. Okay, so my energy is so low. I'm so hungry. I'm bored and I'm so slow. I don't know why. And I'm recording with his name is Screencast Matic. This screencast is so cool. This one will help you. This is my real character, but this is my not real face. I will show you my real face. Let's check. See, this is my real face. I need new face. I like a girl in face. Do you want to get a new face? Buy my game passes. They are trained some new animations. I didn't have any animations. Okay, so there you go. Wait, focus it, dude. There we go. Another 3. Okay, so I'm gonna record to 5 seconds and I'm gonna stop on here. Maybe okay, so let's work on here. I have 20 bucks. I would like the double burger. Okay, double. The double burger means. Look! Give me a deluxe burger. As well I can of cola. Get of cola. I'd like a classic burger together with those fries. There you go, tasty. I'd like one deluxe burger together with fries. Okay, so I would like the classic burger along with fries. Classic with fries. Have fun. Can I get one double burger with bloxburg? Okay. Wonderful. How eat? Could I have double burger with some cola? Yep. Done. I'll have the deluxe burger. Deluxe burger. Here it comes. Delicious. Okay. I would like a double burger. Double. There you go. Eat some burgers on my restaurant. Classic. Look delicious. Give me the double burger as well as bloxy fries and double bloxy fries. One bloxy cola. Awesome. Could I have double burger? Yet. Could I have deluxe burger? Of course. Yes! I got level up. How I get one burger? Classic burger. Where's classic? With blocks color. I love blocks color. Color. No color. I want one deluxe burger. Here it comes. Tasty. Yep. Tasty. I would like a classic burger. Classic. I'll have the classic burger with some fries. There you go. Eat some tacos. I'll get one classic burger as well as those fries. Great. Have fun. I want the double burger plus fries. I take the deluxe burger. Deluxe burger. Here. Yes. I would like the deluxe burger together with blocks. Okay, gonna stop right here, guys, on video, but cause this one it's 15 seconds and have fun.